Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 33. Our learning goal for today says, I can match numbers to pictures of 10 through 1. Okay, so far we have been matching pictures and the numbers with the objects, starting with 1 and going all the way to 10. Remember our stair-stepping towers? Okay, well today I'm feeling a little wild. So let's start at this big number. I spent all morning making this gorgeous tower, friends. Who can tell me how many counting cubes are in my nice big old tower? Yes, 10. Good job. How did you figure that out so quickly? Oh, you did. You counted one at a time. You counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I like that plan. Did anyone else figure out that it was 10 a different way? Oh, did you see this 5 group right here? And you said 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I like that. Any other way? You saw 2 5 groups. Here's a 5 group, and here's a 5 group. And you know if there's 2 5 groups, that's a 10. Oh, you guys are good. All right. Now, what if I did this? What if I, took one away? Now, who can describe to me how many we have left there? Good. We have 9. Awesome. Because I know if I have 10 and I take one away, that leaves me with 9. Who can tell me about the 2 parts that you see? Like one of the parts is 5. What would the other part be? Yeah, you could say the parts that I see are 5 blue and 4 red. And that makes 9. Oh, you guys are really good at these numbers. Okay, what if I take another one? Now, how many do I have? Yeah, count if you need to. Otherwise, think about what's happening. I had 9 and I took one away, so now I have... Hey, yeah, I have 8. Okay, go ahead. I want you to describe to me, what do you see? What are the parts of 8 that you see in that beautiful tower? Oh, yeah, good job. I see that 5 group, and then I see 3 more, and that made my 8. All right, what if I take another one? What number is that? Yes, it's 7. 5, 6, 7. Who can show me 7 on their fingers? Let me see those cute little fingers showing me 7. Wow, you did that pretty fast. Good job, friends. Hey, your fingers kind of matched that good tower that I made. Nice job. All right, you're doing so awesome. I'm gonna take another one. All right, now how many do I have? Good, I have 6. 5 and 1 more is 6. Can you show me 6 on your fingers? Oh, I like that. I like that they use one whole finger, one whole hand, and then one extra bonus thumb. Very cool. All right, now what do you think? If I take one more away, now how many do I have left? Can you whisper it to your neighbor? Did you just whisper 5? Oh, you were so good. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I think you're getting the hang of it now because you kind of are saying these numbers really fast. Because if I had 5 and I take one away, how many do I have now? Perfect, 4. You know, part of the reason you're probably getting these numbers a little bit faster is what's happening to our tower. Yeah, every time I take one away, it's smaller. Do you agree? So there's less to count. So I can pretty quickly see that there's 1, 2, 3. Whereas before, like when it was like 9, I had a lot to count. But as I take one away, the tower gets smaller. Like this is a cute little 2 tower. And finally, if I take one more away, friends, how many's left there? Perfect, 1. Hey, you did fantastic matching those pictures to the numbers 10 through 1. And I really like that we were able to go backwards. What a nice job. Okay, your exit ticket is this. It's kind of tricky, but I know that you can do it. I want you to start at 10 and count all the way backwards to 1. So for example, you'll say 10, 9, 8, blah, 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 until you get to 1. Okay? I can't wait to hear your good backwards counting. Oh, good luck, friends.